morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here. You see that vein action right there? I'm here for my weekend Walmart haul for you if you're new here. And this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here. I am Shay with the Pals. If you take a second to subscribe, also make sure you smile like my sports girl. So y'all, look, it's been a rough week. It's been rough. It's been so rough this week. Josiah's been sick these last few days. We had to replace the low beam lights on the car. That was almost $600, which is crazy. Crazy. And then we have a slab leak in the foundation. So I'm just like, when you get a house, you know, it be like home ownership. Ooh, it's a beautiful thing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. When you walk into your house, that first day you open that key and you walk around your house, you be like, dang, this is all mine. This is all mine. You just be so amazed. But then it's like fast forward 15, 20 years later, and you be like, all these issues. It's almost like, oh my gosh, y'all. I don't know. Yeah, so there's that. We had to have plumbers come out and get estimates and stuff. And so I'm just like, it's been a rough week. It's been real rough. I'm sorry I had to like trauma dump on y'all because that's not what we usually do. We're here for the deals. And so, stressful week, but I'm here for this weekend haul for y'all. Hopefully we can knock it out. I need 15 for 5. It should be easy though. Sally, she been hanging out. The homie been hanging out. We've been doing lunch together. And so it should be doable. And so with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do with the like button. Hype your girl up. I don't say that enough. But I don't even think I have the feature on my phone. I have it on my desktop, but not on my phone. Maybe I need to update my app. But yeah, hype it up. Hype, 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 hype. Anyways, with that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Hit the like button. Keep on watching.
Alright, y'all. So this first deal here, it actually went up in kicks on Shopkick. I think I mentioned in my last video, it's 800 kicks now. So these are priced at $474. Getting back 800 kicks at just $320 on Shopkick makes them $154 each. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bag. See if Josiah likes them. He really, really likes like fresh fries from potatoes and stuff. So this would definitely be a good alternative if we don't have potatoes. So yeah, not a bad deal. And I believe the limit on this is a limit of 5 per kind. You can get the crinkle cut, you can get the skinny ones, or you can get the cauliflower ones, which are a little bit more. And so yeah. And of course we have this deal still going on the Hillshire Farms. It's on the smoked sausage. It looks like select ones are on roll bag for $3.56. The hot the hot smoked sausage one. And so for this you want to grab 2. You'll pay $7.12, getting back $3.50 on Tada. And then 90 cents for each on Checkout 51, bringing them down to 91 cents each. And we have the Hillshire deli meat also still going on. We're gonna grab 2 of them priced at $3.97. One's paying $7.94, getting back $4 on Swagbucks, $1.10 on Checkout 51, making them $142 each. I'm gonna grab this deal again on the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. It's on the strawberry mango. This offer did go up to $4. Or was it $4 before? Maybe it was already $4. Anyways, listen. It's priced at $3.67. We're gonna grab 2. We'll pay $7.34, getting back 4 on Swagbucks, 2 on Checkout 51, bringing them down to 67 cents each. No, I think it was already 4. Never mind. Anyways, still a good deal. All right. So this next deal is on the Splash Sparkling Water. It's priced at $4.76 for this. We have offers on Shopkick for 815 kicks. That's buy and scan kicks with just $3.26. So it'll make them $1.50 each. And there's also still an offer, a rebate for spend 20, get back 8. I believe the Splash is a part of that as well. It's the same promotion with the Arrowhead that we did a week ago or so. And so if you wanted to do that, you would grab, I want to say 5 of these, and you would get back the 8 there, plus what you get back on Shopkick. I think it makes them like a 50-cent money maker for 5 cases. Right. This deal here on the Ponchos queso, it's on rollback for $4.77. One of you guys said the offer, it doesn't look like it's available anymore. I don't know. I clicked the link. It's still clickable. So I assume it's still working. But anyways, it's priced at $4.77. For this, we have 2 offers on Ibotta that it's attaching, which is a $2 one and a $1.50 So you'll get back $3.50, would make it $127. Of course, if you have that buy one get one free offer for aisle, it would then make it like a $2 change money maker for two of them, which is definitely not a bad deal. OMG, it looks like they finally restocked the Vital Fusion. And so I gotta scan it though to make sure it's still working for the sister app. So it's on the Vital Fusion right here, Multivites, priced at $5.98. Now for this, you want to grab a total of two of them. You'll pay, well, we have $3 printables, coupons.com. You'll pay $5.96, getting back 9 on Swagbucks, and then a total of $3 on Ibotta. So make it a $6.04 moneymaker. If they have 4, I'm gonna go ahead and max it out and grab 4. All right, so this deal here is on the Dove. It's on the 2-pack. It's priced at $4.97, and for this, we have a Shopkick offer for 610 buy and scan kicks, which is $2.44. Makes it $2.53 for a double pack. I'm kind of being patient and hoping that the kicks go up more. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, this deal here on the Crumble Dove hand soap is priced at $3.97. This offer on, I think when I posted my last video, the offer had gone down in kicks and gone down to a limit of 1. So you're going to grab 1 at $3.97 and you'll get back 2 on Ibotta, 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $120. It makes it 77 cents each. All right, y'all. So here is our complete haul for today. Not very, and let me just stop, y'all. It's a whole nother day. I recorded yesterday. I didn't get to do this till today. And yeah, and it's noon. So I'm gonna try to get this up as soon as I can. Not a very big haul, but you know what? It's mostly food, so I could really appreciate this. Like I got lunch right here. I got my deli meat. I got some chips. I got some beverages. I'm good, right? And then the sausage, that's like either lunch or dinner. Hell, lunch, breakfast, or dinner. And so, yeah, I will not complain about this little haul. And so this worked out good though. The chips I did at Vaughn's, I saw that posted on IG. A few of you guys hit me up about it as well. And I wasn't gonna do it at first, but I was short like 3 offers. And so I figured why not? They were $1.99 each. And then we had a 4 for 4 digital. So I think I paid $3.96 and then got back $1.50 for both the simples and 50 cents for each of the Miss Vickies. It made them like 36 cents each. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Other than that, y'all, that's basically it. My receipt for Checkout 51 is still processing, which sometimes they be on it and it be like, shoo, real quick. Other times it be like snail mail. And so I'm still waiting for that to process for the ocean spray and I think it was the ocean spray and the deli meat. The other one went through already. And so other than that, what else? Coupons, the Vital Fusion, that one scans. Again, I told y'all it scans perfectly fine. Self-checkout. I was happy to be able to find some. I think they had like 5 up there. So I was happy to be able to do that deal. That receipt went straight through on inbox dollars. Ocean spray was on there, and the deli meat was on there as well. All 3 went straight through, which was cool. Other than that, yeah, so let's do this. All right, so everything that you see here retails $82.33. We had 16 in coupons, brought the out of pocket to $66.33. Getting back $30 from inbox dollars, $24.70 from Ibotta, $6.90 for Checkout 51. Shopkick was $4.40, and last but not least was Tada, which was $3.50. So getting back a total of $69.50, it makes this a $3.17 moneymaker. Not the biggest moneymaker, but look, listen. What's free is free. What's a moneymaker is a moneymaker. We have small moneymakers and we have big ones. This was a small one. I won't complain, like I said, because it's food. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday afternoon or whatever day that you're watching. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you. I want to see a cookie emoji in the comments. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.